Starting our bulletin with the latest from the United States, where a major winter storm has now battered the East Coast, bringing in hurricane-force winds and heaps of snow to the region. This is perhaps the first major blizzard to hit the region in nearly 4 years. With multiple blizzard warnings in effect, cities like New York, Boston bore the brunt of the storm. The National Weather Service confirmed on Saturday that the storm nor'easter had now intensified into a bomb cyclone after undergoing and now let's just take a look at what is a bomb cyclone. In simple words, a bomb cyclone is an intense weather event in which the atmospheric pressure drops very quickly, causing heavy precipitation and snowfall. The extreme weather event has already prompted cancellation of nearly 6,000 US flights, has also triggered major traffic disruption in the region. The storm thrashed parts of nearly 10 states with blizzard warnings that stretched from Virginia to Maine. 5 states, including New York, New Jersey, have already declared a state of emergency.
We are responding quickly and urgently, and as I mentioned, it's a classic nor'easter. The snow is on track in terms of volumes, and this is what you keep track of, how much is predicted overall, how much per hour, because that is going to show you the severity. Couple that with the wind velocity, because that's what creates the whiteout conditions.
Residents across the eastern seacoast have been urged to stay at home and avoid all unnecessary travel. 10 inches of snow were reported near New York's Manhattan, as authorities deployed snowplows to clear the roads. Train lines were also temporarily suspended to clear the snow-covered tracks. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.